Yo, my sister's stupid. Anyways, it's diced pineapples. As you can see, we're at Mickey D's right now. We're about to try the new Travis Scott burger and the spicy nuggets. So this is the burger. And yes, I sanitized my hands. God. And then, let's see. I need a napkin. Pass me a napkin. So it has bacon, lettuce, cheese, pickles, and onions.
Mustard.
There ain't no damn mustard on here.
Oh, that's what it
Shut
says.
up. Where you see mustard? I don't see no mustard on this burger.
It says it's supposed to have mustard.
Well, I don't see no mustard on the burger. Anyways. Just let me do what I'm doing. And then they have spicy nuggets now. Which I'm excited to try because McDonald's, to me, has the best chicken nuggets anyways. So, it's a plus if they're spicy and they taste good. And then I have 3 sauces. Right here, it's like touching the roof. God. They have this mighty hot sauce. I guess supposed to go with the nuggets. The tangy barbecue sauce. My sister said you're supposed to dip your fries in with the Travis Scott meal.
Yep, that's what he says in the commercial.
And then you have ranch. I don't know what that's for.
The chicken nuggets.
I guess the nuggets. I don't know. It's supposed to mix and I don't know, whatever. Okay.
And it comes with a Sprite.
She's not baggy. Anyway,
so go
she's
get
over
your
there.
McDonald's, your King Jack. What is it?
Your what?
What does he call himself?
I don't know. I don't know nothing about that guy. Anyways, so I gotta open the sauce first.
What are we trying first?
Trying the nugget. 1 sauce. 2 sauce. Don't mind my neck. Oh, my hair is like. When you got natural hair, oh my gosh, it's crazy. It's crazy.
What does it smell like? It smells like spicy, sweet hot sauce.
I'm gonna dunk 2 different nuggets. 1 in the hot sauce and 1 in the ranch.
We should have tried it without the sauces first.
Well, I don't know about this.
It is spicy though.
This ain't spicy.
The hot sauce? Yes, it is. I told you it tastes like a sweet hot sauce.
Oh, what kind of ranch sauce is that?
Which one would you
This ain't
prefer?
all that for me.
Now we have spice in our mouth.
I think I prefer to eat them with sweet and sour sauce, like the regular way. But the nuggets.
Try it together.
The nuggets are okay. I'm mixing it, but I don't think that's gonna make a difference.
Yeah, it does. It's not that bad.
Okay, if you mix this up, if you mix the sauce together, it tastes better. But, nah. I don't know about that.
We have to try the.
What if I try the fries in the hot sauce? That's always good, right? Sorry, I can't see my head. I'm trying to. That's good. Eat the fries with the hot sauce. Or mix it with the ranch. That's good.
You know what it kind of tastes like? One of the sauces from Popeyes. What is it? The
sweet
chili?
Yeah, that's good. I don't know about the nugget though. Nugget.
Alright, now we have to try the burger.
Ugh. Alright.
Oh, but you didn't try the fry with the barbecue sauce.
I did. I don't like barbecue sauce. I'm not trying barbecue sauce. I don't like barbecue sauce.
It's good.
Yep, you can eat that.
If you like barbecue sauce, French fries with barbecue sauce, it's good.
Alright, I'm about to try this burger. I don't even eat McDonald's burgers.
Yeah, we're not a McDonald's person, people. Does that even make sense? Person, people. Let's see. At least the bacon is crispy.
Yeah. I guess the bacon is what pulls it together. So. I'm not a fan of their burger. And if it was harder. But not bad for $6. When you want to eat something not healthy. Because you know I don't eat this type of stuff.
Yeah.
You know who would like this?
It's a little bit oily.
So, everybody go out to Mickey D's. Oh, there's a piece of hair. Oh. Mickey D's and get the Travis Scott burger, try it, and the spicy chicken nuggets, and get the 3 sauces.
Oh, I don't like the pickle.
Oh, that was good. And it comes with a Sprite. I usually get sweet tea because I'm not a soda. I don't drink soda. So I guess it tastes good to me because I don't drink soda. But yeah, go try it. Not too bad.
It's all right. The sandwich tastes like a quarter pounder and a Big Mac combined or something with these pickles. I don't know. Shut up. I don't like Big Macs.
You sure?
I don't like Big Macs.
Alright, fries are kind of salty. But other than that,
What would you rate it? Out of 1 to 10.
the nuggets, I give them a 7. The burger, probably a 7. Just the fact that the nuggets only taste good. They don't taste good really by themselves. I don't know. Maybe you have to mix the sauce. I was expecting it to taste better than what it tastes like. And the burger, I don't like iceberg lettuce. I prefer like romaine lettuce on a burger. And I don't like McDonald's burgers anyway, so what would you rate it?
A 6.
Let's really talk about 6 and she's over here grubbing. I only took 1 bite and put it back in the thing.
I'll give the burger a 6. The nuggets is probably like 7. And the fries are
I love McDonald's fries.
like right now they'll be like a 7.5. They're not all that crispy. Some of them are like limped.
Yeah. The fries are fine. They're
But
just
it
a
has
little bit
some salt.
salty.
So that's good.
Out of all like fast foods restaurants, I think McDonald's has the best nuggets and the best french fries. I don't eat ketchup, so
Yeah.
I could just eat them like that. But of course their nuggets taste good with their sweet and sour sauce. And I only like McDonald's sweet and sour sauce. I don't like nobody else's sweet and sour sauce.
Because theirs is like a chili
Oh,
glaze.
yeah. Alright, so that was our review on those two. I'm about to get out of here.
I need to try the Sprite.
The Sprite
You
tastes
didn't rate
good.
the Bright.
What?
You
You can't talk. I never knew you could. Yo, my hair is like crazy right now. It keeps touching the top of the. It's driving me nuts.
Let's see if this Sprite.
When you have a lot of
It's
hair and it's
bubbly.
natural, it's a blessing, but at the same time, it's a pain in the ass. For real, for real.
The Sprite
Imagine.
is very good. It's refreshing.
Yo, we can't do no video.
It's really refreshing
Why are you talking like that?
and crisp.
All right, yo.
It
So
will
we
quench
out.
your thirst
We out because I gotta get on the road.
at this location.
I got things to do, people to see. Ooh. All right,
Deuces.
that's pineapples out. All right, don't start doing that much.
That's my signature to be out.
Later, y'all.
Bye.